displayed high qualities of leadership. You are indeed a dedicated spear of goodwill to whom responsibility is a thrilling game. And we really want to appreciate you, DDG. Then the school. We are very happy. I form part of senior management, but I form part of the school. We are very pleased to receive a school of this quality as Umkhanyakude district. We feel very proud for the learners of the district and for the entire community. It is indeed a true picture how our government loves our people on the ground. I want to talk about RGZ. A true patriot. Many people, when they become business people, their interest is always about the business and not about the people. You are a businessman of a special type, whose interest is not only in the business that you champion, but your interest is also on the people you are providing service to. I know you in a number of schools where you are rendering service. You render high quality service and you ensure everybody is happy. And we really want to appreciate a businessman with the heart of the people. Thank you very much, RGZ. We appreciate the work you have done and that you continue to do. We are very pleased, all of us, as the family of the Department of Education. The entire process has been facilitated by the Department of Public Works. And we want to appreciate the leadership, Kabab Mahai, as he has been working with the team to ensure we deliver this quality work. So as a district, we are extremely happy. We are over the moon, and may this work continue at all times. Thank you so much.